In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent title in Canva. Let's begin by heading over to canva.com. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and make sure you're signed in to your Canva account. It's super simple and ensures you have access to all of your saved projects and templates. Now that you're on the Canva homepage, look towards the left-hand side and click on Templates. This is where you'll find a vast array of design options to work with. For this tutorial, we'll choose Poster as our template, but feel free to explore and select whichever format suits your needs best. Once you've chosen your template, click on the option to create a new blank design. This will provide a clean canvas for us to create our transparent title. Next, click on Text from the options available on the left. This is where we'll add our customized text. You'll want to type out your desired title or message in this step. Now, let's personalize it a little further. To change the font, simply click on the font selection at the top and browse through the options. For this example, we'll switch to the Anton font. It's bold and perfect for making an impact. Once you've selected your font, you can resize the text by clicking and dragging the corners. Now let's change the font color to white. Click on the A icon, the one with a rainbow underneath, which is the color palette tool. Choose white from the color options. This will help our text stand out when we blend it later on. With the text highlighted, move to the Effect button located above the design. We're aiming for a bit of contrast, so go ahead and select Lift under the styles provided. This effect adds depth to the text, and you can increase the intensity all the way to 100 for maximum effect. Next up, we're duplicating our text. This can be done easily by clicking the duplicate icon right above your text. Adjust the duplicated text as needed, then move on to the next step. Click on Share at the top right corner of the screen, then Download. Confirm by clicking Download again. This will save your text design to your computer, but don't worry, we're bringing it right back. Upload the downloaded text image back into Canva by clicking Uploads from the side menu. This step allows us to manipulate the text as an image for our final design. Once it's uploaded, select the initial text and delete it from your canvas. With your canvas cleared of text, drag in a new background image and the text image you recently uploaded. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Apps in the left-hand menu and type Blend Image in the search bar. For the next part, you'll want to ensure that your text image is under the top layer and click Use Selected Image. Next, select your background image. Ensure that it's assigned to the bottom layer and similarly click Use Selected Image. Under Blend Mode, select Multiply. This effectively blends the text into the backdrop, achieving that sleek, transparent title effect. Finally, click Add to Design to apply the blend to your canvas. Don't forget to delete those first two images you initially had to keep things tidy. And that's it. Now you know how to create stunning, transparent titles using Canva. Enjoy adding a professional touch to your designs.